Assalamu alaikum, I'm Imran Abbas, and today I'm unboxing Vivo V11, which is the newest model by Vivo. It has some amazing features like 25 megapixels front camera, which is something very attractive to me because मेरे लिए photography बहुत important है and I love taking pictures while shooting, while traveling. The color of the phone is Starry Night. It has some pearly dust sprinkled, which imitates the beautiful stars in a beautiful light. I am a pakka Android user, so I keep experimenting with my brands and my makes and my models. So I'm surely gonna try this phone very soon. Rather, I'm going to switch from my phone to this phone probably tomorrow because I'm very attracted to this phone. Yes, this is Vivo V11 with a very reasonable price. All of you, please try it, and I'm sure you are gonna be very happy.